Hey, Ross.
Hey, how's it going, Kev?
All right, can we get the football game on? I like to watch
We're going
outside.
there next. Let's go to football.
Excellent. So, what'd you bring us?
We got all this outdoor entertainment now. And so we got different devices that do different things, and they're getting better over time.
My outdoor patio is the favorite room in the house because of some of this stuff.
Me too. Me too.
All right, so what are we looking at?
So first thing is a projector, right? So the ideas of hanging a TV on the wall outside, that's gonna be an outdoor rated, that's now starting to change. So there are now projectors that can be used inside, but also outside, and they can project to a screen or the side of the house and give you a really good image, really good resolution that come a long way.
So that's what I'm looking at right here. Look at a handsome face right there.
Look at that guy.
Nice big display.
The other thing too about these is that they connect through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so you can actually pull in, data from your phone. You can also pull it and connect it to smart home platforms.
So if I have this as a standalone, you're telling me that I can have it talk to either like my cable system or whatever my video or TV watching habits are. It goes through that?
That's right. Yep, it can all get pulled through that, through Bluetooth or through Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So if it's got a Wi-Fi connection like nearby your house, absolutely pull it right through.
Right, and obviously indoors that's the plug-in, but then sort of the portable version is what you got us here.
That's right, yeah, lithium-ion battery bank. It's basically a large power bank. So you got your 120 volt plugs here, you got your USB here, and then you also have your 12 volt DC right there. But we also have the ability to connect it to solar, right?
Oh, nice.
So we have an input over here, so I could have a rollout solar panel. I could plug it into that and basically recharge that. So especially if I'm camping, RV, anything like that, I can recharge that battery bank while the sun is shining.
Very nice. I'm looking at a digital reader right here, sort of telling me where I am. Give me a sense of how much power or time comes out of this for, let's say, your projector.
Yeah, so this is about 1,000 watt hours of battery stored on 100% battery level. And this right here runs about 90 watts of power. So I could run this projector for over 10 hours on this battery bank, fully charged.
Plenty of time. We'll both be asleep halfway through the movie.
That's right.
Good deal. All right.
So you also have smart outdoor plugs. So this could plug into a receptacle, and it's gonna give you 2 outlets here. This is also weatherproof, and it gives you the ability to control these from your phone. So I could set schedules, I could run the projector off of this one, I could run my Christmas lights off of that one. I can set that scheduling, so it only runs that outlet when I want it to.
Super handy to have. Keep the bistro lights on, the Christmas lights. I love that sentiment.
That's right. That's
Are we talking sound with these?
Yeah, so we got 2 different speakers here. So if you want, this has a built-in speaker, but if you really want to enhance that sound for an outdoor movie, as an example, you could go with a portable unit like this. So this is going to be docked inside, but then you can bring it outside, and you can connect it through Bluetooth or through Wi-Fi to your device, in this case the projector, so you can actually get the audio feed coming off of that.
So docked inside mean it's that's how it's charging.
Yep, grab it, bring it outside, drop it in, and then basically connect it, and then you're going to have nice sound coming out of that.
Very nice.
And then you also have a more permanent outdoor speaker. So this is a permanent unit that can be mounted outside. It's wired, and so these come with different kind of form factors in terms of the IP rating. So IP is ingress protection, and so it basically is how waterproof and dustproof are the units.
How much does it stop the ingress of water or dust?
That's right. So this is IP66.
Yeah.
So that's really good on dust and really good on water. Meaning I can hose that thing down and it'd be fine.
Okay.
And this one's got 56. So a little bit less on dust, but still I could hose that down with water and still be fine.
So the 2 numbers mean different things? So when you say 66, that first number is for dust?
That's right. Yep. First number is for dust, and that's from 0 to 6. And the second number is for water, and that's from 0 to 9. Yeah, I know. Don't get me going on
either way, that's fine.
But one of the things you want to be careful of any outdoor piece of equipment is what is the IP rating, right? And that number, those 2 numbers there do matter. And the other thing too is making sure that it's got UV resistance, because you don't want that plastic to degrade over time with sunlight hitting it.
Because the expectation is that's sitting outside.
That's permanent.
24/7.
That's right, mounted on the side of your house as an example.
Good to know. I'll be over on Sunday, 2 o'clock.
All right, football game.
Thank you, Ross.
Let's do it.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.